Are you a klutz who constantly drops your phone? Do you work in a demanding environment where your phone needs to be extra tough? Well, then the Fossibot F101 Pro might be the perfect phone for you. But before we get started, if you're interested in picking up the Fossibot F101 Pro, we've included a link to the product page on AliExpress in the video description below. Alright, let's get on with the video. First things first, this phone is tough. Really tough. We're talking IP68 or IP69K waterproof and dustproof and shockproof. You can drop it, dunk it, cover it in dirt, and it'll keep on ticking. Now, I wouldn't recommend purposely destroying your phone, but it's nice to know that the F101 Pro can handle the occasional accident. The Fossibot F101 Pro isn't all brawn and no brains. It's powered by a MediaTek MT8788 octa-core processor and 8 GB of RAM, which means it can handle most everyday tasks with ease. You won't be able to play the latest high-end games on max settings, but for browsing the web, streaming videos, and using social media, it'll do just fine. Plus, with the option to expand the storage up to 1 TB with a micro SD card, you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. One of the things that really sets the Fossibot F101 Pro apart is the secondary display on the back of the phone. This might seem like a gimmick at first, but it can actually be quite useful. You can use it to show notifications, the time, or even customize it to display a message or image. It's a great way to quickly check your phone without having to take it out of your pocket. Let's face it, there's nothing worse than a phone that dies on you when you need it most. Thankfully, the Fossibot F101 Pro packs a massive 10600 mAh battery. This means you can easily get through a full day of use on a single charge, and maybe even 2 depending on your usage. Plus, with 18W fast charging, you can quickly top up the battery when you're running low. Now, all these features sound great, but what about the price? Well, you'll be happy to hear that the Fossibot F101 Pro is very competitively priced at around $130. That's a steal for a rugged smartphone with these specs. Reasons why you should consider buying the Fossibot F101 Pro. It's a tough, powerful, and affordable phone with a unique secondary display and a long-lasting battery. If you're looking for a rugged smartphone that won't break the bank, the Fossibot F101 Pro is a great option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you think of the Fossibot F101 Pro, and be sure to check out the link in the description for more info. We'll see you next time.